held you once, a secret in my skin, before the world went cold, before the wolves rushed in. Your tiny hands fit inside my vow, carving ruby eyes I still remember now. Then the ash came down and the room went red. I heard your name when they struck you dead. So I hid your light where the sharp gems sleep, in the ruby glow. I kept you deep. Carving rubies, come back to me. Carving rubies, breathe for the sea. They took your body, they took your rain, but I kept your soul, I kept your name. And carry on. I watch them cheer with their silver eyes. I wore my grief like a second disguise. I fed the pools my blackened grief. I taught the dark to bring relief. A borrowed face with borrowed bones, a living cage for your return home. Soft as a breath, hard as a blade, I shaped the fate that fate had made. And when your new eyes opened to me, I saw my son and my prophecy. Carry on. You woke in white with choked fear in your throat, a stranger's hands, a stranger's coat. But under the skin, I knew that spark, my little air, my answer to the dark. I told you thread that love could live where revenge was fed. I am the wound the world won't close. I am the night that only you know. If they made you a weapon, then aim your pain. If they made you hollow, I will fill you again. Mama, come back to me. Rise, rise for me. Corbin Rubius, come back to me. Corbin Rubius, breathe for the sea. They took your body, they took your reign, but I kept your soul, I kept your name. Corbin Rubius, my broken dawn. Corbin Rubius, now carry on. If I must lose the world I knew, I'll burn it all to keep